Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, my name is Sanket Sonatamden. I am the student of the second year Civil Diploma, College of Jhil Polytechnic and Research Pune. I have done this project under the project based learning activity. My title of my project is Gather information of various software used in analysis and design of soil and slope stability. During this project, I was guided by Professor Ankit Agrawal sir. Content of my project is introduction, types of a rock slope failure, types of a circular failure, factors affecting slope ability, methods of a slope stability analysis. Introduction. Slope either occur naturally or are engineered by humans. An understanding of geology, hydrology and soil properties in a central to applying slope stability principles properly. Analysis must be based upon a model that accurately represents the site, surface conditions, ground behavior, and applied loads. Time of analysis. Slope stability problems is a greater problem faced by the open mining industry. The scale of a slope stability problem is divided into two types: gross stability problem and local stability problem. Types of a rock slope failure: failure in earth and rock mass, plane failure, wedge failure, circular failure, toppling failure, rock failure in earth, rock fill, and soil dumps and embankments. The simplified instruction of a most common slope failure modes. Plane failure. Simple plane failure is the easiest form of rock slope failure to analyze. It occurs when a discontinuity striking an approximately parallel to the slope face and dipping at the lower angle interaction, the slope face enabling the material above the discontinuity to slide. Geotechnical condition for sliding on the single plane's failure. The plane on which sliding occurs must be strike parallel or nearly parallel to the slope face. The failure plane must daylight in the slope. This means its dip must be smaller than the dip of the slope face. Wedge failure. Wedge failure can occur in the rock masses with two or more sets of discontinuities whose lines of intersection are approximately perpendicular to the strike of the slope and dip toward the plane or the slopes. Topping failure. Next is a circular failure. Then types of a circular failure. Circular failure classified in three types depending on that area that is affected by the failure surface. They are the slope failure, toe failure, wedge failure. Rock fall, cracking, gulling, slide or a slump. This image shows that the extensive soil erosion. Next image shows that the long-term impacts on a rivers. First image shows weathering. Second image shows mining of rock. There is no escape from these slides of the coal benches. Factors affecting slope stability. Geological discontinuities of a rock mass, geological properties of a slope, groundwater and rainfall, geometry of a slope, states of a stress, erosion of the surface of the slopes due to the flowing water, dynamic focus due to the blasting and HEMM movement, slopes modification, undercutting, temperature and spontaneous heating, pressure of UV galleries. Geological discontinuities of a rock mass. There are the joints, bending joints, joint spacing, joint direction, dipping and falls. Factor affecting slope stability. geological structure is the main factor effect on the slopes. Geological properties of slopes: shear strength of rock mass, cohesion, angle of internal friction, density, permeability, moisture content, particle size distribution, angle of response. Methods for the slope stability analysis. Limit equilibrium. In a limit equilibrium, there are two methods. Analytical is also known as the software method, and second is a chart method. Next method is a kinetic analysis. Third method is the sensitivity analysis. Fourth, classification by SMR, probabilistic method, and the numerical modeling method. Stability analysis of mine slopes. Limit equilibrium method. It is the most widely accepted and commonly performed design tool in the slope engineering. Software based on the limit equilibrium method. Slides, Galena, GeoSlope, GeoPhi, GGU, Soil Vision. Overview of the Galena. Galena is the simple and friendly at very powerful slope stability software system to you can stimulate complex geological groundwater and external force condition without wasting any time. Galena laws been developed by the geotechnical engineer for the practical base on the sites. It has tested on the wide variety of earth, rock, slopes, dams, and cuttings. The Galena is the incorporate three methods of slope stability analysis. So you can assess the wide range of the stability problem to both sides and rocks. The Bishop is the simplified method determines to the stability of a circular failure surface. Next is the Spencer Wright method for the either circular or non-circular failure surface. Next is the Sarma method for the problems where non-vertical slashes are required for the more complex stability problem. With all three methods available in one package, you can take any problems in variety of ways without stopping to load a new program. Software for water pressure stimulation. Hydros, GeoSlope or Sleep, it also known as a GeoStudio, and Soil Vision or Water, GMS. Software based on a numerical modeling. Phases 2, Laxis, Flex Slope, UDSC, PPF, or GeoSlope or Sigma, and Soil Vision. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society. Redefining excellence.